Okay, great. Let's see what you got.
Sandy, I know you don't believe me, but the slime people are here. Right here in Morganville. That's why I'm carrying this. Gun.
But Tom, how can we be sure they are the slime people?
I can't be sure, but I do know this. When the moon is full and the tide is high, their metabolism, microbiology, and the things turn them into hideous monsters.
And cut. Kid, that was the best read I had all day. What's the new kid's name? Elvis. Elvis the Pelvis. Rock and roll.
What do you think, Dick?
Buddy, I already told you. Whatever you say goes.
Kid, you're in.